There's a hill that breathes in silence, a few lights as blue fades down. Old stone houses, narrow roads where time itself slows around. A fountain watching over things for almost 300 years, drinking from a hidden vein, quenching all the dreams you bear.
From up there, your sky opens wide, the plateau a frozen sea. Mountains standing guard in circles round this quiet little place. The air is clear, the silence weighs, yet never makes a sound. A place that asks for nothing more than memory and card.
It's a land that stays behind when everything moves on. It's still holding on at buried cracks of passing time, but not those who can hear.
'Cause the only thing that never falls is coming back here.
And from above you see more clearly who we used to be. A village, just a few souls, a promise still standing.
There's a lower part that waits in time, a palace finding voice, and a higher road that keeps on rising where the stone turns into light. Toward the woods and to the spring where water is poured sincere. With donkeys, horses, evening in the air. Wolves and foxes, boars pass by without a single sound.
Here nature never asks permission, only gives respect and awe.
In winter the town draws close, and summer it speaks again.
To those who come back home to learn how they once learned to see. It's a land that stays behind when everything moves on.
Through a sky full of seasons and returns,
It's still holding on. It's seen families intertwined,
like roots within the wind, and a name that keeps returning, written deep in time.
and while the world runs somewhere else,
Here we learn to stay, 'cause the only thing that never falls is finding our way back.
from above I trace the wounds, I count them one by one.
Rebuilding isn't only stone, it's learning trust again in someone.
Between the cranes, the roofs, the promises that bend,
There's a work that carries weight, yet somehow still holds firm.
it's not just a title or a line you sign your name upon. It's holding a whole village down.